How to claim Manulife travel insurance. Manulife Bank is a Canadian online bank offering savings accounts, mortgages, and other financial services without traditional branches. Customers access their accounts through online banking, mobile apps, and ATMs. First, go to Google and search Manulife GEM Travel Portal. Then click on First Link. Then click on Start a New Claim. Then select which insurance type are you claiming under, group insurance or individual insurance. Then select your type of claim. Select trip cancellation. On this page, click on No. Then select reason for canceling. After that, answer the following questions. Then click Let's Get Started. Here, fill up all the insurance-related question. After that, submit your claim. That's it. Thanks for watching.